Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Ridge Washer Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. There are features include: tungsten steel for greater durability, spares you the trouble of frequently replacing nozzles. The upgraded tungsten steel nozzles has a service life 10 to 20 times longer than that of ceramic nozzles. Tungsten steel nozzles performs much better in terms of high temperature resistance, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. No clogging and clumping, offers you a smooth and continuous sandblasting experience, reducing the hassle of frequently needing to unclog the sand suction hose. With a diameter of 3/4 inches and a length of 18 feet, the sand suction hose can maximize the dryness of the media, reducing the possibility of caking and blockage. Dustless, compared with traditional dry sandblasting, the wet sandblasting kit uses high-pressure water mixed with media to suppress dust. It prevents the dust generated during sandblasting from harming your health and helps you maintain a clearer view. At the same time, water can cool the media and prevent metal deformation. Multiple applications: the wet sandblaster kit can easily remove stains, graffiti on metal, brick and wood, rubber primer on masonry, metal scale, rust and etc. Wet sandblasting can liberate you from the confines of a small sandblasting cabinet, allowing you to perform sandblasting in open outdoor areas and handle larger items as well as more intricate operations. Operating parameters: working pressure 1500 to 5000 psi. Flow rate 3.0 to 8.0 GPM. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, engaged in everyday household cleaning, or a professional in industrial or commercial sandblasting, this power washer sandblast kit can meet your needs. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.